We fit use iron drum o. The only thing be say you must use the one wey no go stain the water, so that go come even make the water black. But na rubber drum, that one na im better. No, na farmers dem na im dey harvest am. So you get the people wey be say that they go buy from them. Na those ones will come bring come give us, then we buy. Rain no dey disturb us for here o. Now we get this land, we don't buy am, and we don't do join body with agric development fund for Agege. E don reach like 20 years now wey we don't do join body with them. Then they really help us. So like anytime we need drum, we need machine. You get some machine where they will say na especially to the grind this cassava. So and we get people where they come here, where they come blend. So they give us machine to still blend am, and they still give us the one where they will take the dry am, so that water no go dey for the body of the cassava and e no go smell.
Some of the things where you go fit take do cassava before it become fufu na knife, rubber drum, sack, shifter, pot, àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. As we don see na from cassava then they take the get fufu and even garri sef wey you dey also chop. Also, the kanda wey dey comot from this cassava body, e fit also be food for goat and so many animals dem. But as people wey dey speak English go take talk again, that is another discussion for another day. So, back to the matter at hand. As that fufu wey you dey chop take sweet for mouth to chop with any kind soup at all, na so also the many work to take cook am dey for inside. In fact sef, the kind heat wey dey comot from fire fit make man pikin sick.
The material wey they use na like knife. That knife na now we take the peel am. When we don't peel and finish, we dey use plastic where we dey put, the cassava them. So when we finish that one, we dey use hose. Now that hose, now we take comot the bad water for inside the rubber. And then we dey use shifter too. Now that one we take the filter am, where we take the shake am. Then we dey use bag. Now that bag now be say when we don't grind down like that, we go put the cassava inside so that we go fit take and squeeze the water come out. The people where they come buy from us here, these people they supply people where they buy from them. So when they come buy from us like that, them go buy, because we know they connect with the company. Then now those suppliers where they come buy from us, now they come later they supply the companies then where they need like restaurants and all that.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.